the death penalty is bad. Also, the left. The death penalty is okay if it's a CEO, right? I mean, Joe Biden has commuted almost every single death row inmate that was awaiting their punishment, except for literally 3. The only 3 he did not commute was Dylan Roof. You all know he was the one that committed the unalivement of 9 at a historically Black church in Charleston, South Carolina in 2015. Also, Robert Bowers, who unalived 11 at a synagogue in Pittsburgh. And then lastly, one of the Tarsana brothers, who was responsible for the Boston Marathon bombings in 2013. So my question is this: how would you feel if your family was someone unalived, one of these people sitting on death row, and you get the news that Joe Biden has pardoned them? I mean, also unpopular take, but we had someone heinously unalive someone on a subway station or a subway train on Sunday, where they lit them on fire, literally. And if that was my family member, I think I would only be happy if they got the death penalty. I mean, it's terrible what that person did. And it has people talking. The Daniel Penny effect, what is it going to look like? I mean, people are definitely going to be turning the other cheek. But hey, I guess it doesn't matter if you get caught. I mean, if Joe Biden's president, he'll commute your sentence. And so he'll make it so there's no law and order. There's no punishment. I think what Joe Biden did was terrible. You may not have to agree with it, but there's someone's family that is on the other side of this. There's someone who lost their loved one and who was waiting for justice to be served. And I'm sorry, the courts and the juries determined these people to have the death penalty. Joe Biden is not judge, jury, and God. So I think this was another one of the terrible mistakes he made. I put this up there with the blanket pardons he gave his son and many others. So let me know in the chat what you think about Joe Biden's latest move as King Biden.